An Ontario court will decide a case tomorrow that raises a critical question for all Canadians. Who gets to say what's best for our children? At the center is a little girl, sick with cancer, in need of treatment. But swirling around her are the surprising views of many adults. Her mother, the doctors, child welfare officials, and now, in a case made thornier by the girl's Aboriginal heritage, a judge. The CBC's Connie Walker explains.
This 11-year-old girl is using organic vegetable juice, whole food supplements, and sprouts to fight her leukemia.
She needs to maintain a raw diet for 2 years at least. Absolutely no sugar.
The family's identity is protected by a publication ban because of a legal fight over her treatment. Doctors at McMaster Children's Hospital in Hamilton gave her a 90 to 95% chance of survival if she continued with chemotherapy. But her mother chose a plan she says was recommended by this man.
We've had more people reverse cancer than any institute in the history of healthcare. So when McGill fails or Toronto Hospital fails, they come to us, stage 4, and they reverse it.
Brian Clement runs the Hippocrates Health Institute in Florida, where he claims to teach people how to heal themselves.
Even if your immune system goes on strike and you have stage 4 cancer, it can be reversed.
In August, after 10 days of chemo, her mother called Clement.
He had the tone of voice where he was so confident about what he can do and what he does. That was comforting in itself. And by him saying, oh yes, no problem, we can help her, that's the day I stopped the chemo.
They spent nearly $19,000 on a 3-week life transformation program at Clement's Spa in Florida. Treatments included massage, cold laser therapy, exercise, and vitamin C through an IV.
There was a bed that she laid on, a water bed that played sound waves through the water.
Change your lifestyle.
A closer look into Hippocrates has unveiled concerns about the director's claims and credentials. The Florida State Health Authority says it's registered as a massage establishment, not licensed to practice medicine. And although he goes by the title doctor, Clement is not a licensed doctor or naturopath. He claims to have degrees from medical colleges based in the Caribbean.
Those are diploma mills.
This professor has investigated 2 of the schools Clement claims to have attended.
I could have printed him a degree on a laser printer, and it would be just as meaningful and just as indicative of training and skills. What I think is terrible is that he's using this, as I understand it, to treat patients who are desperately sick.
And doctors at McMaster say this is a case of life or death. If the girl doesn't return to chemo, they say she will die. Tomorrow, a judge will decide whether to force the Children's Aid Society to intervene. If he doesn't, the girl and her mother will be free to continue this controversial treatment. Peter?
All right, Connie, thank you. Connie Walker here in Toronto.